Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
This is Siddharth Dudeja.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No
Edit.
But yeah, man, hey, you just came back from Delhi.
Yeah. Oh, yes, we are on. Okay. I thought like, yeah, man, I just got back from Delhi selling all the 23 tickets.
Oh, Jordan.
All my...
Jordan.
MJ.
Michael
Jordan ka number.
Michael
Oh,
23.
yeah,
LeBron
okay.
also. But
Okay.
Yeah,
I
LeBron.
see. I'm a cricket.
sorry.
He's another cricket.
Oh man, which podcast is this? I'm not
Who's
sure.
23 in cricket? Nobody.
Who's
23
23 jersey number? We've done this
We've-
episode.
yeah, we've
Please
done.
check Cricket's episode.
Number 23.
First 10 seconds and tell us who's
Yeah.
the number. There is a number 23.
In India, I think, yeah, we had Indians, mostly Indians.
Yeah, we tried to find every episode the jersey
Yeah.
number. We'd start with so and so for a reason.
Okay.
After Dhoni, we started that.
Okay.
For a
Number
reason. So
7.
episode 8 is like whoever. Kohli, 18.
Yeah.
Okay.
Virat for a reason.
Sachin,
and
10.
then there were some numbers where there was no one. So then we just
We
had
had like,
to...
there were like Pawan Negi or something. like-
Someone from India B team or you
okay.
have to go to
Yeah.
Zimbabwe and find one
Yeah.
name. Musi Musi Simbanda for a reason.
What? That's a drink, right? That is sorry.
Musi Musi Simbanda is one of the great Zimbabwean
Musu
cricketers.
Musu Hasi.
Kyun malai
That's Sunil Gavaskar's joke.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you just did his joke.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
yeah.
He
Oh,
said
shit.
this sorry, what is the cricketer's name? What did I say?
Musi Musi.
No, I'm now mixing up the two. Musi Musi Sibanda.
Yeah.
He said this cricketer, he's reminding me of a song we have right now.
Oh, he
in
gives
India.
the punchline
Yeah,
already.
Musu Musu Hasi Dil Malai. He sang
Oh.
it. But that time that song was topical.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
it's like
And
Now
Sunny
it's
G is
anecdotal.
like been there for so long that
yeah.
it's like just
His hair dye is getting blacker as he's getting older.
Dude, but his like footwear game is crazy.
Sunny Bhai.
Yeah,
Sunny
he
Bhai.
wears like this one and all,
Boots.
like boots and all, like
Yeah.
like
yeah.
old western cowboy.
I'll tell you what happened. I was in Kerala now and in Periyar Tiger Reserve.
That's right.
And someone mentioned in the next table somewhere that some British person that have you read the Corbett book, The Man Eaters of Kumaon? It's really good. And I was like in that zone, like I want to
Yeah.
read about tigers.
Yeah.
So I ordered it. And now
Okay.
I'm in the city. I don't
Yeah,
think I'm
now-
ever reading
yeah.
that book.
yeah,
Next-
that is like a pretty sounds a little boring.
Come on, dude. Man Eaters, man.
Oh, okay.
But it's not. There is no character arc for a tiger, right? He comes, he eats, he
How do
goes
you
away.
know?
Like, oh, this
There's
tiger
one
actually.
of them is a divorced tiger. It's
What if it's
a-
like Carl, that movie where eventually it's not the man-eater, it's a
Oh,
ghost.
Carl, no one has brought up that
Ajay Devgan
movie.
is a ghost, yeah.
Dude, you know this movie, Carl?
No.
It's one of the few situations where I have watched this movie in theater.
Yeah. Oh,
yeah.
you're a
Because-
bigger fan.
Oh, one of the worst films ever.
Actually, I saw Carl purely because of the
Tiger.
because Tiger. Like,
Yeah,
I'm
that's how they
actually
got
very
you.
fascinated by tigers.
That's how they got
Also,
you.
they say that the tiger's killing everybody,
Yeah.
but it's
Yeah.
actually a ghost.
It's a
Yeah.
ghost, and the ghost has been there with them all along, being their guide.
It's like-
Which is sorry, guys, just 20 years late. to this
It's like the
movie.
tiger was told it's the star, and then when the movie released, it found it's a
They
psych,
changed
a
the
thin
script.
red line. This is that Adrian
And it was
Brody.
Ajay Devgan, so edit में तो cut किया ही है tiger.
Asli tiger was the hero, Ajay
Yeah.
Devgan. It had Tiger वाली मूवी में सिंघम लीड निकल गया. But Shahrukh Khan had done a item number
Item
for that.
number,
That's
yeah.
how big that was. Him and Malaika, I think.
Malaika and him did Kal
Is
Kal
काल
Antum.
काल में
Oh, this
हम
is the
तुम
post
करे दमा.
Chaya Chaya, post Chaya Chaya.
Oh, yeah.
maybe they
Yeah.
were
This
like
was
an
the,
item.
No, yeah, the
Yeah.
the what do you call the what?
Uniting.
Reunited.
Yeah,
No,
sure.
Yeah.
Let's go with that.
I
I don't even know.
You
I
gave
just-
me
Reunion.
Reunion. That's the one. Sorry. But I knew it was an easy word. You know when you forget an easy word and you're like shocked that you can't think of it. I was just like, how did I forget this word?
Especially
Man.
two English comedians forgetting.
No, you can't give me re and be like, now what? Every word is allowed.
It's the
Real. It's a real.
That's like playing dumb charades and you're like, first word, and you guess.
No, so we like when you play connections. Have you played connections?
Yeah,
NYT.
yeah.
Sometimes you have that, right? Where you get one word and you're like, now what? Right? But then three more words to go. But you're like, I know what this one.
I know this word.
Yeah, this word is there.
I love connections, man. It's the great.
That
idea.
guy
I've
is
never
too
played this game.
And the New York Times wala?
No, bro.
Damn good.
What? You guys get New York Times on the
Dude,
app?
New York Times is not even a newspaper anymore. It is. There are more
Yeah.
users in the gaming section than in the newspaper.
What
They're
do
a
you-
gaming
They
company
bought Wordle, na? Wordle is
Achha,
on
they
their
bought
thing.
Wordle?
Yeah.
Ooh.
for $1 million.
I need to get into this New York Times.
Just
gaming.
1 million.
Yeah.
That's-
I mean, it's a word game, dude. It's a
Fair
website.
enough. But it's huge.
It's
Wordle.
huge.
It's rather to like your Bangalore like startup people make like this
Yeah.
Of
second
course.
year or something.
But that's a scam. This is real. Wordle is real.
Yeah, Wordle is real.
This NYT, they have like a bunch of games, very good. NYT
Oh.
game, New York Times games.
Check
So
it
check
out.
it out.
Okay.
Yeah, and
That's-
Hindustan Times games
Yeah.
not as good yet.
Hindustan Times has quotes from comedians, like from their Twitter. It's
Yeah.
like
Oh,
the
yeah?
worst.
Yeah, big quotes.
like,
Yeah.
First of all, you two are like such like English speakers.
Yeah.
You all have zero struggle story.
What?
You know,
Look
you
at
guys,
this
if you
guy.
guys want to go viral, I
This
think you
guy.
guys are like really missing.
Dude, I have
Look
a
who's
struggle
talking.
story.
This Shivaji Park guy is telling us.
My f- up is that in the north people think I'm an English comedian.
Yeah.
And in the south they think I'm a Hindi comic.
Yeah.
So I'm nowhere.
And in Mumbai, what do they think?
Wow.
Mumbai they think he's just there. Like
He's someone.
I
he
mean,
exists. Why is he still doing it? Like in Bombay, that's what I get.
I mean, it seems like a repeating pattern for your people.
Whoa. All right. All right.
Sindhi attack done.
Look at my East Pakistan buddy talking about
EP.
the actual Pakistan.
You remember when
people.
Pakistan launched a new EP, East Pakistan? Oh man, those were the days. But,
Yeah, good times, right?
How was Delhi's AQI? Is it as bad as they're saying, or is it all a myth?
It's all true. It's like really bad. Like it's dude, and the thing is, like I entered, like I was like, I have like one full bag of like just medicines to be like in case I am dying. This is what I gotta do.
Okay.
And I had N95s and I
Yeah.
wore it and I got out of the airport and everyone's looking at me like, is this guy trying to be better than us?
Oh,
Like
no one's wearing masks.
no one's wearing masks. So
This
that's
is
like
Delhi.
But isn't the AQI here also comparable?
It's bad. No, in Mumbai.
But what is the difference?
So I'll tell you what, like when I go to Delhi, I see a Mumbai of the future. Like 3
Yeah.
years later, this is how
Yeah.
Bombay is going
So
to
like
be.
last year, for example, for 1 week or few days, Bombay had worse AQI than Delhi.
Yeah.
And that was
Yeah.
when Delhi was like maybe past its worst.
Yeah.
But Mumbai is bad only. In
Yeah.
the world, we are all bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's nothing compared to
And this is
Delhi.
what I hate about like people when I tell them that like, dude, I have issues, there's pollution, and they're like, oh, you should go to Delhi. And
Yeah.
I'm like, but my lungs don't know that, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it's
yeah.
can't adapt to.
It's always you should go somewhere
Yeah.
else because there's always a worse place for you to die faster.
This whole you should go somewhere needs to stop.
Yeah, man.
Hey, man, we are here.
We are
Yeah.
here. Don't
All right. Sorry.
send me anywhere. I have no wanderlust right now. Hey, no one said, hey, you should stay here.
Yeah.
I
You be
never heard
here.
anyone, you be here. I'm going.
No, this one is like give your address. That is the you be here.
You give your address. I'm moving in. You go to Pakistan.
But I don't know, man. As an English-speaking comedian in Delhi, I don't know. I don't. Shamik's really selling, but I don't know what about.
I don't
So
sell
they
at
are
all.
not. But whoever's coming for my shows, they are also English speakers who have moved there for work
Oh, yeah.
usually. Or there's a small fraction of. There are people in Delhi who speak English, by the way.
Yeah, but like we are
I
not.
know you are.
All of
ashamed.
them, please come for my show, guys.
Yeah, yeah,
December 20th.
Please come.
Please.
I'm there also the week.
You have
next
seen him.
weekend.
It's the same arc.
Come for mine. I will promote his that time. Don't go for his.
Same
Come for
thing.
mine.
Same story.
If you liked mine, you skip his. If you didn't like mine, it's same like his.
And he's standing outside and like, you should come for my show.
He's flying outside my show like, no, not this one. Let's skip this one. Call divert. That's the new scam, by the way. The call divert scam.
What is that? What is
Every
that?
time we meet, there's a bigger scam in India.
What is it called? Scam?
Call divert scam is where how does it work? Someone calls you, says you've ordered a package, you have to send it to your address, and you don't know what the package
Yeah.
is,
Yeah.
right? And then they're like, the delivery guy is trying to call you, he's not able to. So there is a number you call, and your call gets diverted to that number somehow. And once calls are diverted, then they ask for OTP, and it goes to the diverted
Oh,
number.
yeah, I got
and they
it.
get all your details. It's brilliant. It's
So it is, yeah. So it's an SMS. You have to send an SMS which will
SMS.
divert all your SMSs to another number.
then
But
they've taken
what kind
control.
of important SMSs are we getting? Like, oh,
No.
but your OTP SMS.
OTP.
Oh,
So
shit.
then they get all your details using
they have your
your
phone
OTP.
number,
Yeah.
and then you can trigger as many OTPs as
Oh,
needed.
That's
shit.
They're using the protection against you, which is
Yeah.
OTP. India, everything relies on OTP.
no OTP.
Once you have the OTPs, it's
Yeah,
over.
it's-
So once they divert it, they will ask you for an OTP or something? No.
No, now it's like No, you have sent it already.
Okay.
I forget. See, they are better at it
Yeah,
than me.
of
They have
course.
really worked on this.
You can't reveal too much. You can't know too much. Then they'll think that you are also running
That's
the...
true. That's true.
Actually-
I don't know how it works actually.
Also, like, I think the problem is like online shopping. Like, it all starts with
Yeah.
a package. Like,
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
these scams have started with.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm telling you, I'm openly admitting, I have bought one shoe once on an impulse online. It has never come.
What did you order?
A shoe.
Oh.
It's never come. It was a fake. I ordered from one of these fake websites. It just never came. After I ordered, I realized, oh, this place is not real.
Ah.
And I just let it go. They
Yeah.
won fair and square. They've taken 4K from my bag. It was
got
a
it,
small
yeah.
amount.
Yeah.
You won that amount. Keep it.
Yeah, that's way better than getting scammed in like FedEx scam and.
FedEx
Yeah.
scam too,
It's
bro.
like,
That
Dude, the numbers people are talking about in FedEx
Yeah.
scam, this person was due for 30 crore.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
what?
this usually it's a senior citizen who was given all
Yeah.
their savings.
All their
Yeah.
savings just to like...
And now they're free.
That's why spend all your money. Don't wait for like your
That's
SIPs
right.
to mature.
Yeah.
Like your
Yeah,
FDs.
spend it before the scammer gets
Yeah.
to you. Because we will all be scammed.
Yeah.
That's the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, statistically, though, it's going to be.
And now you can use
What
AI.
happened?
Are you guys aware of the dating app scam?
Oh, yes. I
What is
know.
that? Oh, yeah,
that's-
going to a separate
That's just
restaurant.
called. That's just called dating apps. Tell the dating
Dating.
app scam.
No, dating app scam.
Yes,
is-
this guy knows a lot about it.
Have you been scammed? Dating app scam?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, she-
Okay, but-
I can't say it on camera.
Wait, is the dating? The dating app scam is not that you message them and they don't reply.
Oh, man.
That's not the
I
scam.
thought
That's different.
that
No,
was-
but I think a friend went through it. No, your friend went
My
through
friend went through it.
Yeah,
so tell it.
In fact, that's an aspiration to go through that scam. Like the reply is only not happening.
What is scam?
The scam is basically like, so this whatever, you match with this girl, they're like, okay, let's go on a date, and she'll decide the place. It'll be
Correct.
like a bar or
Chivalry.
something.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. It'll somewhere in Andheri. In fact, that's this where we are recording. This
Oh.
has happened.
Yeah.
Some random bar they will
Yeah.
decide, and then
Man,
like,
your friend told you everything about this scam.
yeah, send me the location also, man. Like, so
But yeah.
so you go there and they'll order like some drinks, and you of course don't know the pricing or anything, and then the bill is like some 35,000 or
What?
something. Yeah, and then they'll take away your phone and they'll be like, give me all your money, whatever you
Who'll
have.
take the phone?
The bouncers at the.
Oh,
at the-
they're all in
They're
it
all
together,
together in this.
okay.
So your bill will be whatever, some 30,000 plus.
Okay.
And they'll take your phone away and they'll be like, pay, and then they'll beat the shit out of you.
After paying.
If you don't pay.
Okay, if you don't
yeah,
pay.
if you don't
What kind of payoff is this?
yeah, but no one has 35,000 like cash or like
Yeah.
whatever card.
True.
Also, like what the
Yeah.
are you going to do?
True,
yeah.
So so then they like
And the girl will be gone.
and the
by
girl
then.
will get mad at you like, oh, you're so cheap, you're not here paying the bill and all. I'm leaving, and she'll leave, and then you'll get beaten up.
And then what did your friend, how did your friend react to it?
My friend, I read about him in the newspaper after that.
Sounds like you shadowed him throughout this date. You were right there.
I was with the bouncers, like, मैं भी दो बजाया उसको. I was like,
But yeah, there are a lot of this. Even Bangalore also it's happening. Pune also it's happening.
But do you
Yeah.
think that bouncer is like that's his job? So like they're doing like 10 a day and he's just like beating 10 people
Yeah.
up.
People
to,
up,
like,
yeah.
And that's what I heard on Reddit. I read like girls they'll go and order like Blue Label and all.
Blue Label, yeah.
Bro,
Oh,
the
yeah.
moment if I'm on a date and call a Blue Label, like madam,
Bro, the moment
It's
if
over.
they
And why is
ordered
like your bar like it's such a shady bar selling Blue
Blue
Label?
Label.
Like,
The moment they will
and why
order
is Blue Label coming from a DSP bottle?
yeah.
it's the new Blue Label collab with DSP. The moment they order Blue Label, they are going to be a victim of a scam by me. I'm going to be gone.
Yeah.
They're like, yo, where's
Like,
the
peace
guy?
out.
Yeah.
Who do we beat up
But
right
there are
now?
so many scams. Like, okay, so I understand, like, okay, these are scams, the phone call ones.
Yeah,
are
yeah,
like human beings scamming other humans.
The digital arrest.
Digital arrest.
Yeah.
I get, like, okay, it's up, but it's
Yeah.
a scam at least.
Yeah, fair enough.
This dating scam, I get, oh, what the, like, I didn't think I have to now start thinking about if my paneer is real or not.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
This is like a
paneer.
completely different world on the internet
Yeah.
of paneer scam. I mean,
Do
I
you
thought
carry iodine with you and everywhere you go?
I'm just like spraying them.
what are the? I have no idea. I know that there's something called paneer scam, and I eat very little paneer, so I did not bother.
Yeah, it's just fake paneer.
Yeah, it's just it's not. It's
It's
some
synthetic.
3D printed or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. What,
Yeah,
whatever it is.
thermocol or something inside.
I thought the government needs to take care of some of these scams. Like,
But I'm so
food
confused
scams.
about paneer scam because supply is there. There is milk in this
Yeah.
country. Where
Yeah.
is it going?
No, but it's like if you can make paneer in
Yeah.
a cheaper way,
Sure.
which is using the plastic that you get after buying something or something like that.
the plastic of the real paneer.
The paneer, yes. That's the paneer.
Yeah.
Just outer layer of that paneer is real milk. Say they make
Yeah.
one thin film. You open that. It's,
By the way, this background looks quite like fake paneer if you look at it. Like,
You're true, man.
good paneer to make fake paneer.
Observational, bro.
Crazy,
You
dude.
observe like an English comic.
astute observations. But paneer scam is not the only one. Everything is the worst one I saw recently is haldi scam.
Haldi
So
scam.
haldi is the healthiest of
Turmeric.
our
Turmeric,
yeah,
yeah.
turmeric of our. Is it? Can you call it spice? No.
Kind
Yeah,
of
it is spices.
Spices only, yeah.
Sure. So most of the haldi they tested. Some all of these food
Yeah.
farmer type guys tested, and most of it is it has toxins in it,
Wow.
which haldi is supposed to reduce inflammation,
Yeah.
and this one causes.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're having
Flames.
more put more haldi, cancer happens faster.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Man.
So great to know this.
I
So
can't send this to my dad because he'll be like
He's a
defending
haldi addict.
haldi addict, and he'll be
Dude.
defending that this is my
Every,
haldi.
like they say, the doodh mein haldi dalo, all is scam
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Like, it's
Dude
all-
is not real, haldi
Haldi
is
is
not
not
real.
real. Glass also maybe.
yeah, glass scam. It's actually
Yes, that adulteration, bro. The milk itself is just gone right
Yeah.
now. That's like we are assuming that there is water in the. It's diluted.
Yeah.
Milk is
yeah.
diluted
Whether
for sure.
when Swiggy or somewhere you order, you choose in your latte.
Yeah.
Regular milk or oat milk. Either way, there's no milk.
Milk.
So might as well go with
Yeah,
oat milk.
oat
you know?
milk.
Fathers of white revolution are crying in the corner
right.
of this
That's
country.
right.
White revolution.
So, but if this somehow benefits the cattle in our country, I'm okay with it.
That's good.
If you're setting them free.
Exactly.
by-
I mean, yeah, you can call it paneer scam or veganism.
Yeah.
Like, it's
Yeah.
the
If
same.
they are
Or
able
the
to.
cow revolution. Revolution.
Moo revolution. they are fighting back.
But down south, there's like Nandini. It's
Nandini. I
like-
mean, every
Ooh.
state has their own.
Ooh, there-
Karnataka has Nandini. Kerala has Milma.
Ooh.
And
Milma. Sounds amazing.
Milma, I've not heard.
Milma is Kerala, yeah. Milma and Tamil Nadu also has
Washing
something.
powder, Milma.
I mean, could be. We don't know. These days, anything it could be. Right? But Tamil Nadu also has something. Avin, I think it is.
Okay.
So everyone has their own state society.
Yeah,
right?
but Nandini has been like really, as someone
Nandini
from
is
like
famous.
middle
Nandini
India,
is-
Nandini is
Big.
PR, and the PR is getting stronger because they sponsored like those teams in the World Cup.
Yeah.
I think South Africa or
South
some
Africa?
other team, or Ireland if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah.
And then also like now the Benne Dosa place is like, oh, we order only Nandini ghee.
Is that what they're
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah, that's what they say. They
I thought
only-
Amul was the big one, no?
Amul is a big one, but I think like because of like down south and like now Benne
sure.
Dosa and like all these things
Yeah.
getting popular.
It's become huge now. This
Yeah,
thing with Bene
Nandini-
Dosa, which has been around forever,
Yeah.
is now
Bene Dayal.
Bene Savdi. More niche reference.
No, but so Nandini, if you're coming to Bangalore, you go to one of those Nandini outlets.
Ooh.
It's not the milk is not the best part. They have these sweets,
Oh.
all the small knickknacks they have,
Milk
Peda.
cake and all.
Peda and all,
Peda milk
Peda,
cake.
dude.
Oh man.
nuts,
Dharwad peda.
nuts it is.
Dude, I love Bangalore, like in general. Actually, I just get out of Bombay because I'm not like making money, but I'm like at least eating like the best food. Like,
Yeah.
You think Bangalore's food is really good?
Dude, Bangalore food is like insane.
Give us some recs, because what happens is people ask me for recommendations when I'm there. I'm in Bangalore, tell me something, and I realize somehow I don't have good recommendations.
What are
because I
you
was
saying,
at home
dude?
most of the time, so I was eating at home.
So you recommend your
yeah, I'm like my home.
Your mom, you're like,
yeah. No. But she hates cooking, so that's
is she on
not happening.
Zomato, your mom?
She should be. Worst rating. She doesn't cook at all. It's fine. I'm not.
Dude,
Moms don't have to cook. I just want to
Yeah.
clarify. Sometimes dad should also cook. Or your non-gender specific parent. I'm just making it worse.
Is that happening in Bangalore these days, man? Bangalore,
Yeah,
really.
dude, it's all.
What's good in Bangalore? What's a good...
Dude, everything. I'll tell you like
Oh,
all
thanks,
the,
we got
all
it.
the
We got the
places that I've been
Thanks,
to
brother.
in the this year. I've been to Bangalore like I think twice or thrice. So I'll tell you
Okay.
all the places I've been back. Pizza 4 piece.
Oh, lovely.
Kopitam La.
Kopitamla.
Vietnamese.
I've-
Vietnamese, right? Or, yeah, Vietnamese.
Yeah,
no,
Kopitam-
it's Singaporean, I think.
Kopitam La's- La.
Kopitamla is owned by the same person as Lavon.
Yeah.
Lavon,
And
the
it's in
guy's
top
owner, his
50.
wife runs Kopitam.
Then Bangalore Uta Company
Yep.
is like
I've never heard anyone say it like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Like an AI, he said.
Yeah.
I'm from the outside, right? So I gotta be-
Bengaluru Uta
Uta Company.
Company.
Yeah. I'm an outsider, so I gotta respect the culture.
Respect.
you
Fair
know,
enough.
and
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
very scared of
Respect
getting
the culture, yeah.
beaten up by
HMK OTW. Yeah, then
Hanuman Kanda.
what
No,
is that?
really?
HMKOTW.
that's Hanuman kind.
Oh,
He always says culture, so I keep
okay.
Yeah.
And then there is, I'll tell you one more place, a Kappa Chakka Kandari, originally
Oh, yeah,
from
Yo, that sounded
Chennai.
racist to me, but
It's
alright.
not Kappa Chakka Kandari is Malayalam.
It's originally from Chennai.
Okay, but Chakka is jackfruit, Kappa
I have
is...
no-
one
I'm
is
not- I'm
bird's
not
eye
jumping in
chili,
this one.
jackfruit, and tapioca. I don't know
Oh,
which
that's
is
what the words are?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Malayalam.
Kappa
man.
is?
Kappa is that...
I think tapioca.
Tapioca,
One
correct.
is tapioca,
Sabudana.
one is jackfruit, and the other is
Kandari
bird's
is
eye
bird's
chili.
eye chili.
So
Dude, it's-
all items are made out of these three ingredients in that restaurant?
I don't know. I was not that
No, it's
culturally-
not like that. It's just
Possible also. I've
Damn
put
it.
a...
Dude, I was in Kerala since you brought this up, and they have a outlet of dry fruits place, and it's called Walnuts.
Yeah.
It says walnuts, and below it's written dates, cashews.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is the
Walnuts.
whole thing called walnuts? Why you named the place after one of the items you sell?
There'll be a soft corner for walnuts.
Yeah.
Not biased at
But
all.
are you a non-vegetarian?
I'm like, yeah, I'm non-vegetarian, but like I love my favorite cuisine.
love the
is,
plants.
Is dosa, yeah. So I
Your
go-
favorite cuisine is dosa?
Yeah, dosa is a cuisine.
You
it
said you didn't want
should-
to hurt sentiments, right? you just...
Dosa is a all right.
Some French dosa. Monsieur, one dosa.
Benet dosa,
Ratatouille.
por favor.
Yeah,
Por favor, that's Spanish.
the minute I heard of like dosa, like I have to take a pause before saying it. Like, at
So
my
dosa
I'm
is
like,
just
don't say
plural.
dosa like a North Indian.
It's plural. Dosa is plural of dosa.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, got scammed, man.
Listen, honestly,
Dosa scam.
you don't have to be so specific because you would have said, "Bhaiya, ek dose lana." They'll know that you're not from
One
here.
step at a time, you know. Like next time I'll be like,
Yeah,
something.
you were like, "Oi, chotu, ek dose," and they're like, "Ek kya ball?"
Talking about like chotu, like
Yeah.
Delhi food is like Delhi food culture in general. Like the food's amazing.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
like they have such inappropriate names for like their like restaurants. Like there was this place called MCBC.
Yeah?
It's called Midnight
RDX.
Cravings Beyond Control.
RDX.
RDX.
Yeah.
Is there a full form to
Yeah,
it?
the Express something. What Express?
Oh.
Rajinder Raba Express.
Rajendra, oh my god.
Explosive stuff.
Fuck. And then they have this place like no subtlety called Chotu. It's called like because you said Chotu, dude. They're like like child labor is really
My favorite
normalized.
one in Bombay, which is a Delhi North restaurant. There are two. One's called Oye Pape and one's called Oye Kake. I think they must be related
Yeah,
also.
and very confusing to send people like
Yeah,
तू
yeah.
काके पे कि पापे पे है? गलत वाले ओए पे आ गया था. Yeah, we तो just because like Bombay तो you have to play to the stereotype North Indian Papa Pancho.
Papa
Yeah.
Pancho used to be my go-to place.
Yeah?
And for a long time.
And then
Then something
Someone
happened.
has visited.
There was
Someone
some
visited
there was
that.
some sabotage that I've
Yeah.
heard of.
butter BC was something else. Butter
No, you know, right? Papa Pancho wala kya hua tha?
butter chua.
Yeah. I forgot butter chua.
Butter chua. But yeah, Bangalore.
This,
So,
Antariksh is like, don't talk about this word.
No, I love it.
you love butter chua?
Papa, how can you get away with calling it Papa Pancho? Dude,
Yeah,
I still can't believe it. It's just there on the road. I pass it, it's saying Pancho.
Pancho, yeah. Imagine that's a family restaurant. Like
Yeah.
again, not even like 18
Hilarious.
plus.
I
or
love it.
something.
Do you know the owners? Because, by the way, this is a big thing. Dudeja knows all the owners of all restaurants in Bombay.
I mean-
he just knows them somehow.
Yeah, I'm just like very gifted that way. Like I become friends with like restaurant owners in general.
That's your skill specifically.
Yeah, they
If they're
know-
restaurant owners, he can befriend them.
They're like, yeah, I have bada kharcha karne wala, and if he and I'm an actual like food influencer. Like
Yeah.
sometimes I'm like comedy, like when I'm selling 23 tickets in Gurgaon. Like I think I should do a food walking tour of Delhi.
This is. Did you do any Delhi Gurgaon food this time? Like,
Yeah, I did. Like,
what are some?
this time actually I did. I'll tell you. I was mostly indoors because of the
Sure.
crazy AQI. So I ordered Fat Lulu's pizza, which I've been
Fat
eating.
Lulu's.
Fat Lulu's, amazing
Beautiful
pizza.
name. Love the name.
Then I went to Nizamuddin area. Don't go. Go to Jama Masjid. That's OG.
This is not a political
We're talking about
statement.
food only, right?
Food only.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I've not been to both the places, so yeah. Like the,
No, that's even worse.
the-
Like,
no,
why?
no, I've been to the
Backtrack.
food places, but not like Jama Masjid or Nizamuddin.
This is why you sip your water.
Yeah. No, as in like the place of worship. I've not been to. I've been to the places outside to eat. So Jama Masjid is better than Nizamuddin.
Okay, now that you've made it clear, I was
Thanks,
so
bro.
confused.
Yeah,
And-
yeah.
I was
No, no, no.
thinking go to
Food,
the mall.
I will never. This is like I'll die by it. Like, but I'll never recommend something that I have not tried.
Okay.
Unless I'll mention it that this is.
Yes, Anthony Bourdain also had the same.
Oh man,
Same
two
principles.
greats.
Yeah, I mean, I can't verify because
Yeah.
he's not there, but yeah.
Bangalore Malleshwaram Veena stores I went to for the first time.
Veena stores?
Veena stores. It's
We went to buy an
What
instrument.
is,
What
yeah,
is this?
we're going to cook
It's
something.
Deepika's favorite, DP's favorite idli place. So I was like, let's go and see.
Is
Idli is overrated though.
100%.
Not ghee podi idli.
Yeah.
I mean, that's barely any idli.
Everything you like about ghee podi idli is everything that's not idli.
That's not
Yeah,
That's
That's
true.
the
Yeah.
whole point. It's just a base.
Yeah,
And let's hear you in the comments define idli. Idli by itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's soft,
No
whatever.
ghee,
but-
no podi, and no
Nothing, yeah.
sambar, no chutney.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
what?
dosa we can have alone.
Dosa is
Dosa
a
is
thing of its
beautiful.
own. It's a
Yes.
beautiful. I've never like. It's just a thing. Like it's a masterpiece.
No, go ahead. We'll put music
I
behind
have.
this.
Yeah, I
Reja is like sexualizing dosa.
Dude,
Just look at him holding it.
man.
He doesn't use his hands to eat dosa. He just goes in, all in.
He slowly opens
Oh
it.
man.
He's
Yeah.
like, I get the masala without using my hand. this dosa with
Yeah, like just
Judeja uploads food vlog, dosa squirts all over.
uploaded on Pornhub.
all over Nerdy Boy.
Oh my god, no chutney.
By itself, raw dogging. No protection.
That is plain dosa as raw.
Protection.
No protection. Hot dosa comes all over. all over. Visiting Mumbai.
Yeah, I'm-
Foodie has an insane appetite and can't get enough.
Hardcore dosa compilation.
Relentless foodie.
Guys, don't give me ideas. I'm telling you, I have proper food porn addiction.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
I'll sit at home like
I do this too, though.
and I have photos of like so
Photos
much
now.
so much food which I never upload on
Is it in a hidden
Instagram.
folder? Is in a hidden folder
Oh,
under
so it's-
studies.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, photos. You have taken a food.
I've taken off food.
Did
and
the
I've
food
never,
know that you took the photo to the side?
Dude, does that
always-
food know you're still thinking about it every now and then?
Yeah, and I'm like eating some carrots and like some cucumber at home and like just looking at those photos. I'm
Oh
like,
my god,
man.
you're cheating on the
Yeah.
carrots.
Yeah, mentally. Yeah, it's mental cheating.
Did you
right?
tell
Yeah,
the carrot
emotional-
when I'm
emotional
eating you, I'm
cheating.
thinking of her?
Yeah.
Carrot knows, man. Carrot
knows,
abusive
bro.
relation, low self-esteem. Carrots.
Oh, I thought you were saying when you food porn, yeah, like on YouTube, there is one category like this Japanese street food,
Yeah.
which is big on YouTube because it's all fluffy and milky,
Yeah,
and
creamy and
I
all
will
that, yeah.
click, and there's
Yeah.
not one reel which is not already at 10 million, 5
Yeah.
million views.
Ooh.
It's like milk cake, soft fluffy
Yeah.
milk cake,
Okay.
and sandwich with just some.
I want to do
fucking-
this like right now, guys. You all can leave for now for some time. Give me the space alone.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Please, in the comments, tell us what is your favorite food
Dude,
porn.
Yeah, please. All the favorite titles, please drop them.
But yeah, so wait, Bangalore, back to Bangalore.
Bangalore.
You didn't tell the whole thing.
Vidyarthi Bhavan, CTR.
I've never been.
Then this Veena store is amazing. I really like this thing. It's like at multiple places called Sendor.
Yeah, Sendur.
Sendur. Yeah, Sendor.
Centaur Cafe. Half
Yeah,
man,
like it's
half
like
horse.
a very local, like 15 rupee for coffee and all, and
Yeah?
it's like amazing. Like not like a very, like it's like a very staple. kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
place.
yeah.
And I
Yeah,
love
yeah.
that.
Sendur.
Like,
It's very good.
yeah,
Sendur is very
and then
good.
I have more on the list like Taza Tindi. I've not been to.
Taza Tindi.
Yeah, there's a.
Dude, I
apparently-
really haven't been to most
Yeah.
of them.
Yeah, you
Even
guys-
the big ones in Bangalore, like CTR and all, I've never gone.
CTR I've
Oh,
been,
what?
Yeah, I've never gone.
You guys both.
Yeah.
What the f- is going on?
Sorry,
Dude?
first of
Sorry,
all,
man.
sorry.
It's
What
like
do
if
you
you
guys-
live in Goa, you don't go to the beach. It's like that.
Yeah.
No. What is this? MTR, CTR.
MTR I've been to.
Yeah, MTR I've been
because
to.
it's there in Indira
Yeah,
itself.
but that's not like the
That's
Yeah,
the worst
no.
one. The Lal
Yeah,
Bagh one
yeah.
is the OG, man.
Lal Bagh. Yeah. Even Lal Bagh I have not got in 10 years.
But
15
I've not been to
years.
Bombay Lal Bagh, so I guess
There is Lal Bagh in Bombay.
dude.
I know. Lal Bagh.
Lal Bagh, yeah.
BAUG, right? So you're a Bombay boy through and through, right?
Yes.
And you're born in Bombay.
Yes.
Bombay.
Mumbai.
Fuck, you'll do
Then
it again. Fuck, you'll do it
Then
one more time.
Bombay, now Mumbai.
You're born in this city, right? The
Yes.
city we are recording in, which we call Mumbai.
Nagpur, yeah. Okay.
Chota Nagpur Plateau.
You know the Chota Kashmir in Mumbai?
In Mumbai?
Yeah,
Where?
it's a very like a chota sa pond or something in like Sanjay Gandhi National
Oh,
Park.
it's like Dal Lake.
Yeah, it's
Chota
not.
one.
Yeah, it's not even close. It's nothing. It's just a pond inside Film City.
That's insane.
And it's called Chota Kashmir.
That's like this Chota Nagpur Plateau, if you guys remember that from geography.
I don't remember.
No.
what
You've
it
never
is.
heard this term? Chota
I've heard it,
Nagpur?
but I don't know what
Even
it is.
I recently saw it in some map. Sorry to be looking at a map for no reason. It's not in Nagpur.
What?
Where is it?
It's in MP, I think. Correct me if
Oh.
I'm wrong.
But that's like
Comment Damascus if I'm wrong. This is our previous episode.
which I didn't know, by the way. Like Nagpur and MP are very close. I didn't.
You didn't know
bother to
this?
check the map.
Yeah,
ever.
Nagpur is like towards the MP side of
It's a,
Maharashtra.
in those books, the older books that we read, Ramchandra Gu and all. It's,
Yeah, yeah.
The Central Province. Is it
Central
Yes,
provinces.
Central
Yes,
province,
yes,
correct.
yes, MP.
We both. You also read like these boring
History.
books of
No,
Ramchandra Guha and all.
I've read India After Gandhi and all those.
You
Okay.
read India After Gandhi, the full
Yeah.
book?
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know how much to give my honest opinion on that. This guy needs to calm down a little bit. Ramchandra Guha,
Yeah.
Too much,
he
eh?
really loves certain people.
Oh, yeah.
He's just like, oh, and then he did this. And
What's
then he
his
did
What's
that.
his dosa, man? Tell me. What's his, I've not read that book.
yeah, go ahead.
I've read a
Go
few
ahead.
chapters.
Yeah.
It's a lot. It'll take me my whole lifetime to finish that
Yeah.
book. I read one chapter and I leave it.
Yeah, it's too much.
But also, I'm so bad at retaining things, dude. I realize
Hmm.
when I read a book, especially history,
Yeah.
it disappears so fast.
Yeah.
I just read that book, which you also read, that Indian
Looming-
Summer.
Indian Summer.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
I've
yeah,
also
that's
forgotten.
that's a beautiful book.
I just know the broad things.
The storyline, you know.
Yeah, story.
Yeah, if you get into the specifics on what happened in 1945 between like a Muslim League and Hindu
Yeah.
Mahasabha,
Yeah.
like no idea.
I'm gonna just say vague. I'll be vague with my answer. Something that wasn't good.
Yeah.
Something bad happened. That's a
we did a boo boo
Yeah.
in
Yeah, yeah,
1945.
That's all of history. Like, if
Yeah.
the goods happened in like the
Yeah.
past, what do we remember about like the
Nah.
good
Yeah.
things that happened?
good things.
No, but that's one thing where like in the US, the history is so what do you say? They talk about it so much where everybody knows which all wars they won, which all everything, like how they defeated these
Yeah.
guys and all those things.
Yeah.
Here, India, we don't have that culture at all. There's a lot of pride to history, and there is one history, obviously.
Yeah.
But that's
Acha.
also
That's-
because
Yeah.
no, that's because they have a lot of history post independence.
Correct.
We have only a few
What,
years.
yeah,
of
80 years.
70,
Yeah.
80 years, yeah.
So pre-independence,
It's
there are
all
many
like-
wars,
yeah.
but that time we were like so many
Yeah.
princely states and
yeah.
kingdoms.
Yeah, but that actually blew my mind. Like the idea, like because when you think of India, like
Yeah.
you think that India was like a country,
Yeah.
like a whatever nation state,
Yeah,
modern
yeah,
day,
yeah.
and then the Britishers came, but
Yeah.
they were only in a few parts. Like
Yeah, yeah.
they were only like in.
I mean, they were there most of the places.
most of, not really.
Eventually they were.
Eventually,
eventually, yeah,
yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah, but of course they came for trade, so they
Ah,
came as the East India
East India
Company, which is a
Company,
private
yeah.
company, and the East India Company, those
That
guys,
was the Facebook of that time.
yeah,
they were unbelievable.
yeah, they were the meta.
They were meta, you're right. Because all the people who came, the
Yeah.
company workers, they were all 21, 22-year-old guys. They were the ones who were sent here.
It was a bad gig for them.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah.
didn't know like how like you could make a lot of money.
Money,
That's
yeah.
what.
So it was like a lot
They
of
were
people,
sent to die.
Yeah,
Essentially,
exactly.
they would die.
Yeah, they were like,
died
and
of,
by the way, they were paid like a lot of money. They were kind of like the Gurgaon people, like you
Ah.
know, in a way that
What do you
when
mean?
so they had the Victorian culture
Yes.
in England, and
Yes.
all these people made a lot of money.
Yeah.
And for them, what happened, like the status symbol became like being more Victorian, like extra
Hmm.
Victorian, you know. And by then, the culture of that Victorian era was like, oh, you shouldn't be that British also
Hmm.
there in London. So after they used to take all their money, go over there,
Then
and
they
they used to be dressed up like proper
Yeah.
British people, and the other British were like these
This is
new
not,
rich.
This is tacky.
yeah,
now.
this is tacky.
Yeah, yeah. I know Robert Clive, the
Oh, that
guy
guy is
he was a
what a-
monster. And he went back with insane money from
So
Robert
they had,
Clive
so
was
their
who?
salary structure was that you'll get some small salary once you're here for
Yeah.
like X years, and when you go back, you get a lump sum.
Oh.
You have a lot of money waiting over there.
Okay.
So it is like a 3-4 year gig, but
Yeah.
and very high mortality rate for
Yeah, exactly.
British.
They
Okay.
died of cholera and
Yeah.
all kinds
of
of diseases,
course.
malaria and stuff.
Also, like embassy, you know the embassy structure, right? Like right now in the world.
What?
Like if you are, say, if a part of the Indian embassy and you are posted in like, say, war-torn country, you'll get like paid some 5x.
Yeah.
And you'll have more protection,
That's
of course.
they're
So they took
taking
the-
a risk to
Yeah,
go there.
so
Whenever
this-
there's risk involved, you get a benefit.
There are a lot of things where, like, I remember when in college there was some company which I think Schlumberger. It's like a construction company,
Yeah, they
which is
do
in like what deep sea
oil-
drilling, oil,
okay.
and all those things. And a couple of other companies where in the offer they had like kidnapping, we will pay ransom.
Oh.
Yeah.
This
Somalian
is the
pirates.
like
extra
that.
benefit.
Benefit, yeah, along with laptop.
Yeah,
Under
it's like
laptop.
HRA and kidnapping allowance. That's insane. It's like, if you, in a city, if you live in an apartment across a railway line, the rent drops immediately.
Yeah?
Just
Yeah.
because you have to cross a railway line every day.
Oh,
So that's
not
a-
in Mumbai.
Not in Mumbai. No, not Mumbai. Internal railways
Mumbai, so
don't
they are
count.
promoting it very close to railway station. So convenient. They're like,
You
it's on
can
the
jump
tracks.
from your window onto the top.
tracks.
Tom Cruise seat, right on top. Mission Impossible.
But this Clive guy made a
Who was Robert Clive?
He
I
is the
forgot.
first guy, Battle of Plassey guy.
Oh,
Who came.
yeah,
acha.
bunch of money he
Ooh.
He he opened the gates for them.
And you go to like London, I went there like few years ago, and like every time you go to their museums, they're like, oh, so this is a gift from India.
Gift.
Yeah,
This
gift.
is a gift from Namibia.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is- and then I go to their gift store
Yeah.
and I have to pay money for it.
Yeah.
I'm like, I thought it's a gift.
That's how like the Louvre thieves in their house they've kept that necklace. This is a gift from the Louvre.
Man, that's amazing.
But since you are a Mumbaiker through and through,
Yes.
I have some questions for you. But my phone has been taken. I'll ask you the question anyway.
You know these facts, right? I hope.
Yeah.
Is it true or false?
Let's assume. No, it's
Okay.
not true or false.
Okay, okay.
Don't change the quiz for your liking.
Okay.
So, how many islands was Mumbai originally?
7.
Correct. And why?
That I don't know.
Tala for a reason.
That's right. Thala for a reason.
yes.
Come on,
Yeah.
man.
Come on, quick help.
It's always Thala for a reason. All right. And can you name all 7?
Bandra, Mumbai.
Bandra was an island?
Can you look it up? I had it on my phone. My phone has been taken from me.
Sion.
Sion is not one.
An island, no.
I've forgotten all of them.
Indranagar. is- but there are
Soho House. Okay, we have Kolaba. Come on.
Kolaba, is an
Kolaba.
island. Mahim would be an island.
Mahim.
Oh,
Nice. That's-
Parel.
Parel. Okay,
Worli.
wait. Okay.
Wait, don't give them
Okay,
away.
okay.
4 you've
You've
said.
given me 4. Worli ho gaya, Parel ho gaya, Mahim ho gaya. Baikala?
No.
Okay.
Madgaon.
What?
Mazgaon.
I'm pretty sure.
Mazgaon.
it is.
Mazgaon is close
Mazgaon is
to
different.
Baikala. Mazgaon close by.
That doesn't matter.
It's very close. And you know what they call it, by the way? People who live in South Bombay and like who want to say, because Mazgaon is not actually western South Bombay, na? It's central South Bombay.
Okay.
To make it sound positive, like, I'm from Mazgaon.
Oh,
Mazgaon.
Mazgaon. It's from Mazgaon.
Then you have Old Women's Island.
What?
Yeah, your favorite.
Old Rubens Island? I want to live there, man. Sounds like very...
And Bombay.
Yeah.
And
Bombay Island.
Bombay Presidency Island.
I guess.
Yes.
What is Old Ruben, dude?
Huh?
What's Old
Women's
Ruben?
Island, I have no
Old
idea.
Women's Island, I mean,
What is it called
known
now?
as Little Kolaba.
Little Kolaba.
It's the exact opposite of Epstein's Island.
Talking about Epstein Island.
Release the old women's list.
Ruben, please release them now. But
Okay, I have a couple more. So, you know the big national park in Bombay?
yes.
Yep. SG.
Sanjay.
Yes.
SGNP.
How many tigers are in Sanjay Gandhi National Park?
When I'm there, including me, 11.
Oh, that's a pretty solid guess, actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
What did you
It is 10.
Oh,
correct.
Yeah,
dude,
that's
yeah.
incredible. I don't know how you could guess
I'm a
that.
Mumbai ka in and out, man. And
What are the names?
That's right.
starts with Siddharth.
That, Mazagaon,
Yeah.
Old woman.
old woman,
K2.
K2, Kanchenjunga. Yeah, there are 10, at least from an article in 2023, there were 10.
Okay.
There might be a few more now or less.
Or less.
Hopefully
Or less.
more.
Yeah.
But they are in captivity.
Okay.
That's why when I read it, I'm like, there's no way there are tigers roaming
Yeah.
in a forest in Mumbai.
Yeah.
There are.
No, but I'll tell you, I had gone for like a walking tour to Sanjay Gandhi National
and you saw
Park.
your reflection and you're like, there's one
Whoa,
tiger
myself.
right here.
Yeah, like Lion King. I was like, oh man, I'm the next king.
Okay.
But so there's a Warli community, that Warli painting wala
Yeah, yeah,
community.
yeah.
So I went to their village, and they are like, at night we gotta be inside. But it's not tigers, it's leopards. Like,
There are leopards.
There are leopards, so they're like at night children have to be inside. But mostly they're coming for the chicken, basically. For
Yeah,
the,
of course.
Yeah.
So just keep some chicken around, then
Yeah.
you're fine, right?
yeah, I guess.
Unless the leopard treats the chicken as the starter.
Yeah.
And he's like, yo,
And the
main course skip. If the leopard skips main course like me,
Yeah.
then you'll be fine.
Barbecue Nation.
Yeah. Straight to dessert.
Yeah.
There's one flower or something on the other side of your garden.
And then get hungry at 3 a.m. and come back. Like,
Did you see the leopard in where did it recently attack? In Bannerghatta, I think.
Oh, yeah. The
Bandipur
one
or
through
Bannerghatta?
through this one, right?
Yeah, through the bus ka cage, na?
Huh.
They leave an opening for your camera, which is insane to leave that open
Yeah.
now.
In
A paw-sized.
Yeah, exact leopard paw size opening.
Huh.
Leopard jumped up, put its hand in, and hit this woman. She has a huge gash.
Yeah.
over-
Dude, where was this?
Either Bannerghatta or Bandipur.
Bandipur, yeah, one of these two
I'm
But, oh
messing up,
man,
but-
you're like a big safari guy, right?
It's just happened last 2 years. I've been to a couple. I've never
Okay.
been a safari guy, but it's nice to. I was in a safari now, the boat safari in
Okay.
Periyar Tiger Reserve, and again, of course, no tiger and all, but there was an elephant. We saw on top of a hill far away.
Yeah.
And honestly, everyone was like, wow. But I was like, we have seen elephants here.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
in the city sometimes. You've been
Yeah.
some fair or something.
In Kerala, it's like very common.
Yeah.
Elephant. Like
Yeah.
you can transport them by them walking. yeah. They just like go from one place to
There is
another.
Uber elephant, right?
I've only been to Jim Corbett once. But like what I find annoying about every national park is you go and you don't see a tiger. If you don't see a tiger, then it's like so boring.
Yeah.
There's only deers. And like deers have
Hey
like
man, this is my whole bit.
If you see, now you don't have to go Delhi for his show, guy. This is
like deers only are like in in the news when there's like Salman Khan behind them with a gun. Like, that's
Tigers in that.
Yeah, it's
No,
too
I'm
much.
not like a big safari guy, but I've seen the clips of it's the ones in like Africa and stuff, Kruger National Park and stuff, where you see a Masai Mara.
Masai Mara.
Yeah.
Where it's like the giraffe is coming into your house and
Yeah.
eating
Yeah.
some food and going.
like all mid prey catching
yeah.
tigers you see.
Yeah, you see tigers during the dining hour.
Yeah, that's
doing
what
what?
Dining hour.
Mess time.
Mess.
Mess time when they're eating a deer.
Mess open hours.
Yeah, and all that great migration and all is like from I think Masai Mara to Tanzania or something.
Ah.
That is like that's a bucket list
That's
item.
my grandfather had a full different grade. That's
Chittagong?
Chittagong, close Dhaka.
Dhaka, okay.
Dhaka,
I'm
Dhaka.
from Karachi migration.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Nice. We came the
We're
other
from
direction.
Dubai. I'm from Dubai.
Dubai migration.
You're from Dubai?
no, I'm from Kerala. I was born
Mallu,
there.
na?
Oh.
Yeah.
Then what happened to you, man?
What
Why-
happened, bro?
why-
What's
He has
wrong?
a Dubai passport.
Yeah.
It's
Ooh.
shaped,
No, I
it's
don't-
shaped like a palm tree.
Dates.
From
You
above.
can eat it.
Yeah.
From above, it looks like palm tree, but when you're inside it,
Yeah.
David Beckham is there.
I'm sure he has 3 tigers also. Why do you need to go to like...
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
they have tigers in captivity. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they
Yeah, yeah.
always make like who's the like loser cousin because वो उसके पीछे छोड़ देते हैं.
Yeah.
और video बना
It's
देते
like
हैं.
a prank for them,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, dude,
It's
they're pranking
ridiculous.
with tigers, man. That's, dude. Even in, I see those videos of Arabs hanging out of the car. Like the car is on two
Oh, yeah, yeah,
wheels,
like this.
and
Yeah,
the
yeah,
guy
yeah.
is hanging out of it, and like they really have a risk
Have you
appetite.
seen Bad Girls by Mia? The
The
MIA.
MIA song.
song.
Yeah,
MIA, yeah, yeah.
Bad Girls.
They do that.
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding,
Exactly.
ding. That whole video is that only.
Yeah.
That's so, dude.
Those guys are nuts, dude.
They're crazy.
I mean,
Yes.
that's like Gurga money into like 100x, right?
Yeah,
That's
it's
true.
insane. Like,
Yeah.
man, I wish we find oil
There's
somewhere
this,
in Mumbai.
there's
below
this
my
book
house.
called, I think it's about that Mohammed bin Salman, Saudi.
MBS.
MBS, yeah. MBS. But this guy, they talk about his family and like the fallen branch from this tree will be like a billionaire. Like, his second cousin's third wife's fourth daughter will be
Yeah.
like a billionaire.
Oh,
that is
man.
how much money
Yeah,
they
even
have.
our.
And
I
they are
mean,
the underachievers in family function.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God.
I
what
mean,
are you
we
up
can't say his name, but you know that one famous person who's not from the royal family, but was son of someone who
Oh, yeah, of course,
worked
yes.
for the royal
Yes,
family.
yes, yes.
You
Yes,
know
I
who we're
can
talking-
know.
But
Yes.
please comment if you know who we're talking
No,
about.
don't comment. Don't
Oh,
comment.
don't comment.
Yeah.
Just say I know who you're talking about.
Yes,
Even he was a multimillionaire,
And he was not even the head of the.
no. He
org.
got a little fraction of what
Because his father was.
he built everything.
Yeah, and that was also because his father went and like built some. I think they had some issue. They had to build a chair or a ramp or something for one of the kings.
Hey, guy, what?
Yeah,
Ramp? No.
No, his
He
house.
wanted his father for the king.
Yeah.
His king wanted to drive to his bedroom.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, he
I
had to
didn't know
drive.
this.
He wanted to drive up to his bedroom, and he built that in his palace.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a ramp.
a really
A
big
ramp for his car.
Yeah,
yeah.
He had to drive to his bedroom.
Oh,
That's insane.
and they're like, this is a nice guy. We trust him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now build a building.
And it's all like basic stuff, right? I think we're all talking about the same book only.
Yeah.
But also the worst book to read on a plane. By
Yeah.
the way.
I can't. I had that book. I couldn't read
And
it.
someone's father who's like building buildings. Like,
Yeah, exactly. It's ironic.
Because it's that the road to. that's the name of the book, right? The road to
Correct,
something,
correct, correct.
and you're reading it. People
That's
are like,
right.
what?
That's right.
But this guy, like, how he gained favor with the royal family was that royal family sometimes didn't have money to pay, and he was like, "Cool, give tomorrow."
Yeah.
like that, like basic. That is a very human thing.
Yeah,
how-
because he came from poverty, right? And he had that's like the insane rags to riches.
Yeah,
story.
yeah,
if
crazy.
it just ended at his generation, it would
Crazy.
be just an insane
yeah.
story.
Rags to riches to rags again.
There's
Yeah.
only one way his next generation could have topped him
Yeah.
in terms of fame or notoriety, and he did
But-
that.
yeah.
I'll tell you about the guy that we.
I love this,
all-
by the way. We should talk as long as we can
Yeah.
without
for this.
mentioning this person.
Dude, I was like obsessed about this guy once in the middle, like, and I had like so much. I have so much information about this
Go
guy,
ahead.
which is like so basically where eventually they killed him in Abbottabad.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. So there were
lovely compound.
Yeah. What a house, dude. No, first of all, like you know,
Open kitchen, island.
Yeah.
Island kitchen.
Yeah, there's a lot of parking for a helicopter. 2 helicopters can
yeah,
land over
and you
there.
can come anytime you're welcomed in the middle of the night also.
That's right. That's right.
So great hospitality. Yeah. So there used to be like children.
The
playing-
financier. We're talking about the financier only.
Yeah.
Yeah, the financier, not the-
not Jeffrey Epstein.
No,
but-
yeah, the financier.
yeah.
So they used to play cricket outside his house.
Yeah.
And they used to, or like football, and they used to hit the ball in the building.
Yeah.
And they used to go there to take the ball. They didn't know who's staying there. But
Yeah.
of course they couldn't take the ball because the guys inside were paranoid. What if these people will go and give like some fingerprints?
Correct.
Yeah,
They'll get
yeah,
some
yeah.
info. So he
Info.
kept all the
So
balls.
he kept all the balls, but he used to keep giving money to
Yeah.
the children. And they didn't know how much a ball costed.
Yeah.
So they used to always overpay. So the
Oh.
children kept making money like...
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
crazy.
He was
You
like,
like
the
this-
local Santa Claus.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
was a Mahatma
I
Gandhi,
mean,
dude. He
yeah.
was like
He had the beard for Santa Claus also.
It's funny if the ball was. He was saying like, please, the ball will damage my property. Don't throw it against.
Yeah, it'll hurt
Don't,
the building.
Please don't hit my building.
Structural integrity
Structure.
of my.
Yeah, and imagine like just being that like I would be like this is the best neighbor ever. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
like from their perspective they lost like Mahatma Gandhi or like someone in their
Jesus
neyborhood. They're like no. From their perspective.
Yeah,
they're like,
correct. From their
for the
perspective.
children.
From
Yes,
the
you're
children's
getting money.
perspective.
Yep.
Like
Yeah, you're right.
so that's
You're right. That you're correct.
and also he wrote to Obama in 2011.
Whoa, that was very close to.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
worried
Oh,
there.
yeah,
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 but
okay.
you know.
Yeah.
Barack.
Yeah.
He wrote to.
Barack.
That's also very close.
Obama Barack Obama.
Barack Hussein.
Yes.
Yeah.
He wrote to him saying, you need to really start caring about the climate change issue.
Is this
There
true?
is written a letter that we need to save the earth. Otherwise, how will I destroy it?
Yeah.
So
Oh,
it's
man.
Fair enough.
There's
You
an
never know.
article.
That's just like a fan letter. Like
Yeah.
that's
Yeah,
like
like
Stan.
Stan.
Exactly. But, hey, Barack.
I've been writing
You've
to
not
you.
written back. My girlfriend's locked in the trunk behind me. And he's imagine Obama
pals.
writing back finally. Sorry, I was busy. Come to think of it, it was you. Damn. Dido features on that also. Anytime there's a fan related song, Dido will be like, I'll give you that verse again. If you want.
But yeah, that's a wonderful Neptune Spear Operation Neptune Spear.
Is that
That's what it's called?
That's what it's called.
The one to get him.
Yeah, to just like to talk to him.
I thought it was called
to
Operation Zero Dark 30, no?
No, Zero Dark 30 is a Neptune Spear is the operation name.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And they found Mars bars.
Zero Dark 30 is more of it's
A
like a
term for
term or something. It is.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's
It's
Like,
like
it might be
night 12:30
night,
type
12:30.
thing.
Okay.
like this. Don't you guys feel it's a bit childish the way they speak in the American special ops and all?
Yeah.
They are too into code words. Some
Yeah,
things you could have
yeah,
just said
yeah.
in English. It would
Correct.
be fine.
Correct.
You know, you don't have to be like 10-4, which means okay.
10-4 is okay.
10-4 is okay?
Yeah, 10-4.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Why?
In police.
Why?
It's the same as okay, right? Same time it takes to say okay.
Yeah.
And we all, if I know it's 10-4 means okay, the guy you're chasing also
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
knows. So there's nothing you're hiding.
And you don't need to mask okay.
Yeah.
I can't think of any situation
Yeah.
where like kill the guy, okay.
Yeah.
Or like don't kill the guy, okay.
It's like Gen Z behavior, basically.
okay, yeah.
Gen
10-3,
Z,
10-3, 10 no, not 10-4, 10-3,
10-3.
6-7.
6-7. That is what 19-20, right? That is what
Yeah, I
6-7
think.
is.
But the,
That's also like bookies putting money on a cricket match.
Six.
क्या रेट चल रहा है 6-7 का चल रहा है
but 6-7 has that meaning, but now it's like beyond meaning. I
Yeah.
think. The point is you just say it
Yeah.
where it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Like recently it happened with in
Curry did it also.
Curry did it?
Curry said.
man.
this reminds me of something that very not related but still related. Like if they keep changing the terms, like saying like one day it's okay, but
Yes.
the other day it becomes
This
something
is like
else.
Enigma code. For,
Yeah, Enigma code.
Yeah, like how, yeah.
Yeah.
So that would still make sense. So they
Yeah.
keep the other person guessing.
Yeah,
Like
keep
there was
them-
this thing which a friend of mine who was like a wannabe politician in this city. He told me like a cheat code back then when there was no FASTag or like cameras to avoid toll booths.
Okay.
Yeah, so there was a code in like the Thane toll booth where you had to do like 2 dippers and 1
Oh.
honk. That means I'm
Let
a
me through.
politician. I'm not paying.
Oh.
And you've done it?
And we did that.
And
And
what?
we were in a big like Innova car, so that's like kind of a politician
enough.
car.
And you did
They let us-
Namaste.
Namaste, yeah.
Yeah.
They
They
let
let
us
you?
go. They let us go.
Does it still work?
Someone will have to try it.
Yeah.
The hard way. It's been like some 10 years.
2 dippers, 1 horn, and then you smash into the thing because they didn't raise it. like, what the hell? Code nahi pata hai kya?
I saw one guy doing that on a reel recently only, where like he just went to a place, like to the side of any toll. The side is anyway like kind of open only, right?
Yeah.
And he just like horns like whatever, the worst person ever.
Yeah.
And then the person who there's like, okay, he must be important. And he raises and he goes, and then he's like, you guys must be thinking that I'm in a Mercedes and I'm not paying. I don't use the payment like that. And then he takes a bag of money out and
Cash.
he gives it to the toll people.
Floyd Mayweather.
Yeah, yeah, he's like,
Yes,
just to
walking
save on the real views.
Yeah. Varun Pruthi in a Mercedes.
Now, what happened to Varun Pruthi, man?
Yeah, I have no idea.
He was
I
so
used to
big. You
just-
know,
Who's that?
Varun Pruthi used to just give money to
Money.
everyone. He's
Oh,
like,
Mr. Beast.
मैं आपको आपका सारे what
सब्जी खरीद
सब्जी
लेता हूँ
खरीद लो
आपके।
तो अच्छा लगेगा or something he used to
But
say.
that's Mr. Beast, no? Mr.
Yeah, he
Priest.
did it before. man,
He
Mr.
did it
Beast.
before him.
Oh.
yeah.
Mr. Beast is a cheap copy.
First mover's advantage.
I hate Mr. Beast. Here's a hot take for you.
Yeah. Do you know that he whitens his teeth on thumbnails because that gets more clicks?
I'm sure he's a lunatic. He's a
Yeah.
sick
Should
person.
I say something
Yeah.
which will like I think everyone is going to hate
Say it,
me for
fucking
it.
say
I
it.
don't know anything about Mr. Beast.
That's less.
I've
They'll
never-
get less hate for that than what I said. This guy acted like he's gonna say something.
Dude, I don't know anything. I know that there's this thing called Mr. Beast. It's a
guy, though.
It's a guy. It's a thing. The channel.
Mr. Big is a band.
Yeah.
Mr. Beast is a person.
He's the biggest. So when
Biggest
you
YouTuber. I know that.
when
yeah.
you install YouTube, like one of the like if you just like start, not don't log in.
They'll show you Mr.
You
Beast.
yeah,
Oh.
Mr. Beast is like
He's like he's there. Saint
intro
Peter.
to
Oh.
this one.
Mr. Beast is.
Mr.
And what are the kind
see,
of
Mr.
videos?
Beast is the guy who has a lot of money and he uses that. He gives away a lot of money for
Yeah.
small,
Yeah.
simple challenges.
Yeah. Like
And
Bihar
Not
election.
simple.
not
I mean,
simple
yeah.
actually.
Bihar election. It's like
Bihar election was Mr. Beast only did the election. He's like, hey, I'll give you 10 million to lose this election. And everyone took it.
Chancharaj is like, yeah.
Except one party. They took it hard. Prashant Kishore took like... Prashant Kishore only.
Prashant
Yeah,
Kishore,
yeah,
He
Chancharaj.
took like a huge amount.
Yeah.
But yeah, Mr. Beast, the thing I hate about him is he's made this... It's cheap the way he just gives away money.
Yeah.
It looks disrespectful to just
Yeah.
be like, here's a bag of cash. Do
Yeah.
this.
Okay.
And it's great. Someone's getting rich. But there's like this whole master servant feeling. I get. Like, why are you treating me like... You feel like dirt if you take that money from
yeah?
him. I
Correct.
feel. The way he does it, I don't like it.
Yeah, even, same. Like it's like almost like you have to cross this what do you say moat with crocodiles, and then you have to jump through this fire, and there's a briefcase with $50,000 over there,
Yeah.
and it's open over there. So
Yeah.
so it's done visually so that on YouTube you can like
It's
get
proper
it.
Squid Game.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly,
It's the
Squid
Squid
And
Game.
then there's one where a crocodile has to cross a road full of money, and there's a bag full of human parts. That's your reward if you get that.
That's quite beastly.
Yeah, why is he Mr. Beast? He used to do something different, and then he pivoted.
No,
I think, right?
he was always on. He used to do he was doing anything needed to get viral on.
Yeah,
YouTube.
he would be like, I would
Count.
eat 10,000
Yeah,
something.
he would count till 1 million, like 1, 2,
What?
3, 4, 5, till this one, till
Smart.
yeah, all
That's
that. Like
smart.
Who is watching that video? Like,
Where-
But the thing is, that's the kind of thing that you know will go viral. Like, you want to check it out.
you're
once.
like, let's see where he's touched,
Yeah,
like where he's
there's
reached,
one guy I used to watch. I literally subscribed to his channel where he would just drink insane amount of sugary drinks in one sitting,
Yeah.
and it's just like you're watching a guy slowly kill himself,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun.
like
Yeah.
mukbang
Chugs,
and all. Right?
Badland Chugs, his
Yeah.
name is. He's a really obese guy from America. He's like, yo, and he's very sweet. He's like, yo, it's your boy, Badland Chugs. And it always ends with a huge burp. Like, how big will he burp after drinking 10 Mountain Dew?
That's what gets the
Nice.
retention, bro. The
Dude, it's
retention is
banger.
there.
He's
That's
and he
amazing.
he talks in a way like we're an army working
Yeah.
together. He's like we chugging one day at a time or some shit. And he's like, yeah, let's go.
Oh.
And yeah, I don't know if he's still around. I hope he is.
What's his
Yeah.
name?
Badland Chugs.
Oh man, this is like, yeah, this sounds
Yo, welcome
amazing.
to Badland Chugs.
When I'm going to be,
He's all cool and shit.
yeah.
I used to not drink tea, coffee, right?
Yeah.
And now I do. And how do you guys do it? It's like once you start, it's tough to go back.
Chai is crazy. Chai,
Coffee is more addictive, right?
coffee at least
is,
like
black coffee is.
black coffee is, but black coffee like for me I have a limit. Like after one of that
One of
size,
Because it hits
yeah.
you.
I take some time to have the next one.
Yeah.
But chai, like a regular milk chai with sugar,
Yeah.
bro,
That's
you
a
can
killer.
have how many ever.
Yeah,
bro.
and
Yeah.
that's-
And
I
it does
have-
nothing to you, right? It's just like it's like a drink.
Yeah, but it makes you gain weight, right?
Yeah, it's like a very
makes you fat for
bloaty.
sure,
Yeah.
yeah.
But yeah.
You're a chai guy or
Coffee.
coffee
Yeah,
always?
yeah. Chai I've only had once in Lucknow, yeah.
Once in Lucknow?
Yeah.
Come
that
on.
was amazing.
In your whole life, you had chai once?
Yeah, like I've taken sips from different like bachpan mein to just see what it's like,
Insane to
and it
talk
was
about.
gross, like chai.
He's talking about chai, how people talk about like,
Absinthe. I've had once in Lucknow.
Yeah. I've tried
but
it
then I
once.
went to Lucknow and there's this Sharma ji ki chai which everyone was like raving about, that goal samosa, white butter bun, maska, and I was like,
the
okay,
way
this
he
sounds.
says it,
the
dude.
full
Went there
menu.
for the food and then I had the chai and I finished the entire like one portion.
Yeah,
of
dude.
Yeah.
And I was saying, and brag about, I finished a whole chai.
Yeah,
Man, oh, fuck. Did you
Pagal
were you
hai kya?
hungover the next day? Did you do that?
Yeah, I was-
Yo, you should be on Badland Chugs. You chugged a whole chai.
Chai.
But you, speaking of which, yeah, you have, I mean, from what I can see, this is the skinniest I have seen you. Is this your, like,
It's
healthiest
I
version?
mean, yeah, fittest. So I've been like fit, like overall, like last few years, it's been the same.
Okay.
Yeah, I have been leaner than this, but I didn't like that, so I gained some.
What's the
weight.
secret
But
Yeah.
losing weight.
of
Yeah.
being healthy?
Being healthy is
We can't really. Losing weight is taboo now.
Yeah,
But you have
oh,
to feel healthy.
healthy.
That's more important.
the body dysmorphia is a thing. Is what
Okay.
I've realized. It's a real thing.
Yeah.
And you gotta have some degree of it.
What is body dysmorphia that you're not happy with?
What you look
keep
like.
thinking you're overweight. That's
I,
what you're saying.
I still feel I'm fat. Like
Okay.
while, like in this moment right now, I'm like, yuck, I'm so fat. Like,
Okay.
Oh.
So
So you're
it's
saying low self-esteem is
low
good.
self-esteem, body, food eating disorders, like these really help.
Yeah, that we saw.
Yeah.
What is your...
yeah, exactly. Like so, there is.
But what is the disorder?
I don't know what mine is, but I'm sure there is something. It can't be so like extreme where
As
I'll-
in you love to eat. That's
I love
all,
to
no?
eat, or then I'm like so clean where I'm like I don't even want to hang out with fat
So
people.
when you eat-
Like, I'm
Because
like-
you're hanging out with your past self. You
yeah,
feel
like with fat. Like a lot of comics I don't hang out with.
So you're a worse person when you lose weight.
Yeah.
You're a nicer
which is-
person when you're
when
overweight.
I'm
Which makes
overweight.
sense also. When
maybe.
you lose weight is when you become an
So,
asshole.
but that's a beautiful thing. Like you can't have everything. Either you have to be a physically healthy bad person,
Yeah.
or a physically unhealthy good person.
Good person.
Yeah.
That shit. Like,
Choose-
I want a health span. Good health span.
Choose your poison. But John Mayer is coming.
He's
to
coming.
Bombay.
On,
Yeah.
Are we
Are
all
you
going
guys
for it?
excited?
Yeah.
Is
I'm
it-
not going. Are you going?
I'm going.
That's where tall people really help at
Ah.
concerts.
Oh
like just to
yeah,
stand
that's
on-
where you're like this guy. Let
When
him
is he
enjoy.
coming?
He's going away soon. So, huh?
When is he coming?
Jan. Mid.
No,
end
enjoy,
of-
but for us to sit on your like shoulder and to like.
I'm in a conundrum because I'll be going alone, which seems like John Mayer seems like the one you should take someone with
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
But I'm just going to see John Mayer play. I don't care about the
Same.
romance angle to
Yeah,
it.
I've watched John Mayer and Dave Chappelle together perform. Yeah,
Where?
In Canada, at Just for Laughs, and they had like those, those secret shows at night
Yeah.
that happen. Like one day we got a text saying that tonight, like your phones are going to be sealed. So just mentally prepare yourself. I don't know why.
That's when you knew someone is coming.
yeah, someone's coming, and the next day was like the big stadium show. Yeah.
right? Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't say anything because we have to cut this anyway.
You'll censor it. It's fine.
It's fine. So basically, yeah. So then I was in the second row, and this guy smoking on stage, Dave Chappelle, and John Mayer played New Light. It was a horrible show. Let
Okay,
me tell you.
yeah.
There was no good comedy and no good music. It was something in the
Chappelle
middle.
also bombed.
I mean, no, they were killing, but it was like they're
Yeah,
nostalgic.
it's
you
more
remember
like-
that jingle from like childhood.
It's
Yeah.
like the show itself is nothing. It's that you got to see them.
Yeah,
That's-
exactly.
Which is like
and
that's
I
shit.
passive
Yeah.
smoke Dave Chappelle cigarette in the second row. Like that
Nice.
was
Any
like,
premises? Did you get any edgy premises?
Yeah,
from that?
Have you got something
all that
against-
would get me cancelled. Like, yeah.
Suddenly you have turned on one community.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I had one more question.
Mumbai.
No, not Mumbai. What were you talking about just before?
About
them?
weight, about activities.
Yes, I got it. So this is I don't know since today's your first time on our podcast, you'll be meet all our millions of fans are
Yeah.
listening to you right now.
Yeah.
I always feel like I have that curse of like getting lowest views on every episode. So this episode, guys.
Yeah, please don't make hashtag not lowest views.
Yeah.
All right, but you in the comedy community, everyone knows like wherever we perform.
Yeah.
We hear rumors that Dureja used to come here for some other classes before.
Oh man.
And then that has become a comedy club.
Like
take
Pilates.
Pilates, spinning,
Spinning,
yoga,
yeah.
drawing, painting. You take a lot of, have a lot of interest.
Yeah, I had a lot of disposable income at one point.
At one point, you disposed.
I disposed all of it.
You must dispose.
now, yeah.
So, what is your favorite classes that you've taken and why?
I have taken singing classes, not drawing. Pilates, yes.
Let's have a song. Let's go.
Yeah.
No, I was like, and I was singing John Mayer only. Like I was learning John Mayer because
Oh.
I was like, that's what I do at karaoke and
You should have just done a Chappelle joke instead. Huh.
get them gals.
Oh, so you went for the Chappelle John Mayer thing for John Mayer? You went.
Of course, I love John Mayer. I'm gonna be.
John Mayer is doing his gig in the Comedy Cellar.
Man, who's that guy? Who's that bald guy? Oh, man.
Yeah, go to
smoking
John
that
Mayer,
too.
go to the guitar cellar. Don't come to the comedy cellar, dude. Anything else? Like any classes?
Any other classes? I'm just thinking. I've taken a lot. Sound bath also I've done.
What is sound
Sound
bath?
Sound bath where they play those Tibetan
Oh.
thing of and then you just lie down.
And it's like calms
It's
you
very
down.
calming. Yeah.
Where did you do this?
Some yoga studio, some
In-
Bandra stuff going on.
In darkness? They put you in
Yeah,
darkness?
so it depends. Sometimes darkness, or you can wear an eye mask.
You
If
asked
it's at
for the
night-
light
If
to be
it's at night, it's
Yeah, it's at night.
Did you ask for the light to be switched off?
like I'm scared.
Or you can wear an eye mask. And then I've also been to essential oil making and yoga class.
Making?
Yeah, like you can make essential oil.
What is an essential oil?
Essential oil is like those
Sunflower.
Yeah, kind of.
No, actually, I don't
it's not.
know.
It's no all these these
Fragrance.
calming oils.
Yeah, calming.
So
Yeah,
lang lang or whatever that's called, eucalyptus.
Lang
all-
what?
Lang Lang, that's a DJ.
YLA, yeah.
Yeah, Yang
It's
Lang,
also
yes, yes.
FKJZP, YLANG.
Oh.
Okay, I know this. I know this.
So you mix all those. So there's a bass note. There are two primary notes, something. You
and
gotta
note
mix
is the
them.
smell.
It's the smell. So there are X number of base note plant like oils, then the other. So you got to make a mix of these three in different
It's a
proportions.
cocktail, basically.
Yeah, and you have, and most of it is water because those are very strong.
Most
Yeah,
of the earth.
water is,
Yeah,
water is strong.
Water. No,
But-
no.
okay, the other is fragrance.
Yeah.
But
Water
is
is also strong.
Why is it called essential oils? These seem like the least.
Least
sorry, but
yeah.
these are much less essential than the other ones. Coconut oil way more essential.
Yeah.
Than
Yeah, and there's no coconut in it.
No
so
coconut,
it's-
right?
yeah, so I've done I do a lot of these random
But what
things.
if you had that disposable income right now?
Yeah.
What would you do again?
Yeah.
Again, I would just go and play a private 1 hour cricket session in the nets.
Oh.
Like that is
What with the machine?
there's a guy who'll come and bowl
Okay.
at you. Like you hire a bowler.
Yeah, it's like
It's an amazing. He's come. to
No.
play.
It
is fun, it is
it's
fun.
a lot of fun.
1
dude.
hour just bat.
Just bad. Don't
Yeah.
talk to anyone. Do not. I don't care about
Oh, wow.
anything.
Man.
Way better than sound bath. Like
it calms you down more.
yeah. It's like
Though the bowler makes the same sound while bowling.
Tibetan nets.
But I will say Instagram's really messing up my ads with the clothes they try to sell me.
Yeah.
Because it's these quotes on the t-shirt, which I don't know who's buying. Who's saying born to do this, forced to do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Who's wearing that t-shirt?
Yeah.
Dude, I hate
The
this
biggest
culture.
loser.
Yeah, I hate this culture. And now what I hate more than just the quotes which are in front, I hate the quotes that are behind you.
Behind.
Because it makes me feel like this person thinks he's superior.
Yeah.
Like,
They
you
think
need to
I'm gonna
know.
be watching your
Yeah,
back.
it's like you need to breathe. Like
That's
or
why I
whatever.
have a big thing where I just like just a small logo
Yeah.
or no logo,
Yeah.
just plain, right?
Uh-huh.
Now the trend is that it's
Big.
small logo, no logo
Behind
here.
big.
Yeah, and-
Behind one tiger is
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah.
Like, dude.
And they're just good vibes.
Yeah.
And some shit like
or
that.
it's like a paragraph. Like
Yeah.
this person should be kept in a library.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna go read them there. I
Yeah,
don't
some
have
Stephen
time.
Hawking quote and all. They'll have.
I'm like,
11010.
oh man.
Epstein files. That's
Stephen Hawking, man. He had 2 wives. I still can't get over it.
Dude, what a guy.
Unbelievable.
What a guy. He didn't let anything stop him.
Nothing.
Not even only battery could stop him.
Not even an incline. This is a segment we call. This is a very celebrated segment.
Multiple celebrations.
how long
Multiple
has it?
celebra-
How many times have you guys done this?
Every episode.
Every episode
episode.
from the reboot.
From the second season.
Oh, there's
this
this is
second
what happened?
season.
What's the
This is
story
only
like?
going to be 2 seasons.
This is the long season, we're calling it. Okay, we're going to do the final segment.
Yeah.
It's called Small Talk Different Year. It's
Yes.
the same. We're having a conversation, but not in this year, which is 2025. It's happening now in 1960
Oh,
AD
AD, okay.
or CE, as we say now.
What's CE?
Common Era.
Oh,
You don't talk about
that's
AD.
religious neutral.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's right. We've removed.
But we all know.
Yeah.
It's common because
Yeah, when I
was
read
there.
CE, I see AD.
I see JC.
So yeah, man, it's been a tough week at work.
Yeah.
What happened?
Dude, the switchboards, it's tough to keep switching. I'm the switchboard
Oh.
operator, you know, right?
Yeah.
So anyone calls in, I have to change the calls.
You have to change the call.
I mean, I don't know exactly
have to
the
switch it,
term. I
right?
just do it, so I
You
don't know
route
the
it,
You have to reroute the calls.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
I'm working for the governor.
okay. The governor of
of the central provinces.
Oh, nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
1960.
19.
I mean, former central provinces. Former central.
But,
Since we recently changed, you know, I
but
like to-
Maharashtra is a new upcoming state.
Yeah,
actually.
right,
yeah.
Maharashtra, Gujarat, and so I think if you want to like get a new job,
Yeah.
at the governor.
Why does
of,
it sound like all the facts you know you have said in one statement? But it's fine, huh?
Yeah. So
Maharashtra,
if you want to
Gujarat.
switch your job, so it's either that. But
Can
I have
I
a
switch my job? Maharashtra and Gujarat, two
It's
states,
Gujarat,
right?
2 states.
And I'm excited about these
Yeah.
two
It's
states.
in generally when a state splits, right? One gets like really bad and one gets really good.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You know, I hope it doesn't happen this time.
No, no. I mean, okay, which one? If one gets really bad,
No, I can't answer
which
that
one are you
question.
betting on?
Knowing
I am
the future.
betting on Maharashtra till for some 60 odd years,
Yeah.
and then maybe I don't know.
Then it all changes.
Then my thing might change because
Yeah.
everyone has their moment.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think one of the states is going to be it's going to look very nice and
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah.
But that's
Like
the
a
one
model
that,
almost.
Yeah, but that's the one you don't want to go
Well,
to.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's my prediction.
Yeah, we don't know
Yeah,
what's
but
in the
models
future.
have like
But
very
I'm-
bad beauty standards, so I think you should.
Wow. Man, your lateral thinking, even in this year, is incredible. 1960s, you're ahead of our time.
But I want to tell you guys about something that's going to be so big. I just got back from like London.
What? Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then there's these like 4 people: Paul, John,
Ah.
Ringo.
Ah.
I heard them in like some place called.
That's 3 people. That was 3 people.
And there's the 4th, George.
George, I think you mean
How do
George.
you know? You were there as well, man.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
You
Yeah.
remember Ringo, but not actually. Ringo is easier
Yeah.
to remember.
Is it
Yeah.
so I saw them at a local like.
What
pub.
do they do?
These-
What are they?
Dancers?
Dancers?
They're musicians. and-
Musicians.
Yeah, they have a band, and it's like they're like really young. None of them have like any facial hair yet.
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah, and yeah. And man, they're gonna be. I feel.
You think they're going to be big?
they're gonna be big, and I'm
But
gonna.
what kind of genre is it? What is it saying? Carnatic?
They were calling it something called rock, I guess.
Rock?
This guy is the dumbest guy in the year 1960s.
What did he say?
Why would they do Carnatic music in London?
But I think
But you never know, man.
they
might explore
they
it.
might explore Carnatic music.
Oh, I don't know if they did Carnatic or Hindustani. One of them
yeah,
they will
one of them.
explore.
Yeah, fair enough, fair
They will
enough.
explore.
Yeah.
So one of their new albums, actually, I don't remember. The first album is just about to be released.
It's called.
Oh, nice.
It's
What's
called
it called?
The White Album.
no.
Not at all. That's way in the future. I think that's an idea they will have eventually.
Yeah,
It's
maybe.
called. It's with L, I think. L se start hota hai. Love me.
Love Me Do.
That's right. That's
That
the first
one.
single.
That,
and
did you hear
album.
that song was there, no?
Apparently, yeah, it was there. When I was there at the album launch, but I had to leave actually.
Yeah, okay, you had a flight.
I had to fly. Then
Yeah,
they were
okay.
very late.
Man,
so-
I wish he could. You know what I wish? I know this will never happen.
Yeah, it's
But if he could sing it and I could just hear it and find out which song it is. If there was some way to do that, that is the future
that's
I
too
want to
much,
live in.
man.
the future where you can just play a song.
Yeah.
At a click.
And
At
a click?
What's a click?
A click is the switchboard, like the
Yeah.
future of
Oh,
the
when it-
switchboard,
Dude,
apparently.
But talking about,
Yeah.
I was also in London. When were you in London?
2 weeks ago.
So I was in US and I came
Wow,
to London. And came back.
everyone's going to London,
But
okay,
US,
huh?
I went there. My brother, he works in one small tech company, IBM. He
IBM.
works
Okay.
in. Dude, crazy.
International Business Machines, right?
That's what you were also
Wow.
there in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
US.
No, I've been reading about it in the telegram my uncle sent.
Yeah?
me.
Yes.
Yeah.
From
You're
the
a smart
US?
one. No?
Yeah,
You're
I'm
one
one
of
of
the smart
the.
ones.
Yeah, I'm ahead of
But
my time.
He
Yeah.
is in the team that made an external hard drive, and you won't believe this. Just hold your hats, guys.
Yeah.
5 MB storage.
What?
5 MB.
What is MB, man? What are 5 of these? I thought there's just one drawer for I know, yeah.
MB क्या होता है भाई? MKB, I know MKB. What is MB?
MKB is timeless.
But I don't know. Did you guys watch
5
the
MB is like way bigger than MK. Yo, all right, what is
MB megabyte? So
But
there.
why
what,
do you know these things?
Dude, he told me. I didn't understand. I just came to like hang out with you guys. I'm telling you. I mean,
Yeah.
since we're talking about things that are
Sorry,
happening
yeah,
this year,
it's
guys.
allowed.
Sorry,
That
man.
is insane. And these people are going crazy, I feel, in the US.
Yeah.
I heard that they're planning to send someone to the moon,
What?
like by the end of this decade.
That's why they need 5 MB, no?
Who
to see-
said it? The president?
Yeah, the president.
Who's the president right
um,
now?
Harry Truman. no. Oh, I
Truman's later. I mean, Truman, who's that?
Who's
I mean,
that?
I
He's a
know-
senator.
He's gonna be, yeah.
The president who's really into going to the moon.
going to the moon.
He's not now, right?
I think this is the year, right? He's
No.
came to power just now, right?
1960, John F. Kennedy became
Oh,
president.
exactly.
Yeah, the guy who loves
The player.
open cars and moons.
Yeah,
the
open
player.
cars and open relationships.
Oh, yes,
That's
yeah,
what he
yeah,
likes.
JFK.
JFK.
My
Okay,
man. He's had.
I do. Second term, he's going to get. And it's going to be great.
It's
gonna
gonna
be-
be. That's when the real, like, the magic will happen.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, man.
He's really.
mind blowing.
He's gonna take down all
policies.
his enemies. All his enemies are going. Like, shots will be fired. He
Yeah,
will be
yeah.
taking them out.
Yeah, there's no,
no
place
prison.
for
He's going to get
dissent.
them by the scalp.
Yeah.
By the scalp. Oh man, yeah.
But I don't know. Did you guys Did you guys watch the Olympics?
It's in Rome, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You just know the facts really well.
Yeah.
Dude,
But
I
our
know.
guy, dude, Milka Singh.
Milka Singh,
Oh,
what's
yeah,
happening?
JMS, yes.
Yeah. What? Junior
G.
Milka Singh.
Milka
Okay,
Singh.
G. Milka
Milka
Singh.
Come
okay.
on, man.
The,
Yeah, G.
the
Milka Singh.
FJ, the flying jet.
Yeah,
That's
flying
right.
jet. Yeah,
Yeah.
he just fourth. He broke the Olympic record and got fourth.
That's
What?
I think it's a scam.
Why he
bro.
turned?
What?
He
But-
turned.
Dude, yeah.
He came fourth, but then the first one also beat some record then, right?
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4 beat the record.
So why is
Oh.
there not a medal for fourth
For
place?
fourth.
There are
No,
more
yeah,
medals, right? Why did we stop?
Steel,
Yeah.
steel medal, yeah.
And
Aluminium.
also in the third medal automatically, we already went to alloys. First
Yeah.
two are gold,
Metals,
silver.
yeah.
Third one, there's aluminum. There is so many other
Yeah,
options.
there should be like plastic is also going to come up. It's a new. It's going to
Yeah,
be
it's a very good,
The
new big
eco-friendly.
thing.
yeah, eco-friendly. Yeah,
In fact,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
planning to get into like
no harm to turtles
No-
is what they're saying.
Not
Yeah,
at all.
yeah, Unlike these steel
Yeah.
medals, which are gonna.
Can you
harm.
imagine like a steel on a turtle? Dude, that's so painful.
But I heard what I read again in another telegram.
Yeah.
Is that Milkha Singh? What happened is the person behind him asked him a question
While running.
while running,
Oh.
and he's such a curious guy. He
Yeah.
had to answer.
Yeah.
It's called
Yeah.
Ask Jeev. Like Ask Jeev. If you ask Jeev, he has to answer. That's what I've heard. And
I think I
it's
might.
gonna be a thing in the future. When we have more than 5
What
MB
a
space,
pull.
one day it's gonna be a thing. In fact, it's not him. Any person named Jeeves, if you ask. It's
Yeah.
ask Jeeves. Any
But do you
Jeeves.
think
I
he'll
don't
get-
think you should go to the UK and share this with a particular author because he might steal this idea.
Oh, yeah.
Who?
This guy I met in
Jeeves.
in a wood house or
VPG.
something.
Oh,
yeah.
Parental Guidance Woodhouse. He
Yeah.
writes
Yeah,
really
parental guidance. Yeah.
Yeah, G Woodhouse is like the kids version.
Yeah.
He doesn't write a lot of those. Is he? Are you sure he's from our time?
I think he is in the gonna be upcoming. Like I met a lot of these upcoming.
You went in the alt scene you went
I
into,
have
right?
always been alt,
Yeah.
never in the mainstream. In fact, like
Say
one of
something.
the most mainstream movies, but I liked, which was Mughal-e-Azam.
What?
Did like it's such a great
Yeah, it took like 15 years or something
of to
get-
make, and
Yeah.
apparently all the lights of like the Mumbai rental was gone into that talkie. Sorry, it's not a movie. It's a talkie.
Okay, talkie.
The
Okay.
talkie.
Yeah.
and that's why there was no power for 1 year
For-
where
yeah.
I'm living. All the power sent to Mughal.
How did they watch the movie?
They heard it from the window.
It's a talkie, right?
Oh,
It's-
fair enough.
Yeah, it's a talkie.
And
I mean-
see, we can see it now. Jesus.
I was trying to connect talkie
Jesus
to...
is not our time yet.
What?
Oh man, I was trying to correct talkie
Dude,
to
I know, but
walkie-talkie.
talking about Jesus, man, you know what I don't like about this country right now?
You only talked about Jesus and you brought
But talking about all of us talking
Yeah,
about
yeah,
Jesus.
Jesus.
Right, yeah, this. You know, we are a big, great nation, right? Don't you
Yes.
think so?
Of course.
Yeah, right? But
Of
I'm
course.
just these Goa Portuguese, right? They're not going.
They're still
They're still
sticking
there.
around. They're still sticking around, and we need to by next year we need to figure out something.
Yeah, man.
We
Get
will,
them
right?
out.
By next
I
Yeah,
year.
hope
because
so.
I'm trying to go there. Like I heard they have great beaches.
What?
Yeah, but they
Yeah.
like it's like really tough to enter the
The
place.
cab, you don't get cabs.
Cabs.
Yeah, by next year they will sort the cab thing
Cab
out. I think the
situation.
first thing they will sort out is the cabs. Am I
Yeah, the
right?
cab issue is a problem.
Yeah,
You know
we
what?
need
I feel
no
like-
Portuguese. We need no foreign intervention, especially no Russians. I need in
Yeah.
Goa.
Yeah, and
I
maybe
hope
see,
not.
guys, I have some instincts. I may be wrong, but
Yeah.
when I think of Goa,
Yeah.
my wish is, I know this makes no sense,
Yeah.
but I want to go on the beach
Ah.
and I want to hear like drums at a high speed.
Ah.
And just listen to that and
Yeah.
dance to that. And somehow Goa feels like the place to do that.
Yeah.
Right? There's something about
There
it.
is something.
North Goa, especially.
North Goa is a good area, I've heard.
North Goa.
The Portuguese are not letting me in.
They're not letting you in.
Yeah, I
Dude,
want to be part of.
What I'm planning is, like, I'm just going to join the people who are going to liberate Goa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll come with a ship. And after everything is done, I'll keep that ship over there. Maybe there's some business we can do on the ship itself when it's on the sea.
On the
A big ship? Is it a
Yeah,
big
it's a big ship.
He's the daddy of all the ships.
It's the daddy of all the ships.
Hey, I have a name for that ship. I think we're good. I think we're good. And scene. All right. That was beautiful. Beautifully
man.
done.
It
We
was tough
managed
to pretend.
We salvaged it. We salvaged it somehow. Beautiful work. Siddharth Dudeja.
Yes.
This will be coming out maybe anytime in a month. Roughly.
Okay.
Yeah, in
3
3
weeks, let's
3
say.
weeks it'll come, yes,
Do you
3
have anything to plug? Is your
Yeah,
tour
I
still
have-
on
I
that
have
time?
I have some shows left actually. One in Mumbai. I might add one more.
Nice.
6th December is I think Bandra.
6th
And
December.
20th, I'm in 20th December, Bangalore.
Nice.
I'm like doing a solo.
Killer.
And, yeah, and if I sell 2 shows, then I'll record it. So
Beautiful.
please buy tickets.
Yeah,
Please buy
come,
tickets.
come.
Very funny. Underrated comedian
Yes,
is his
that's the
tour
name
name.
of the show.
And make him correctly rated.
Yes.
Just
Yes,
show up.
rate him
Make me
properly.
overrated. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
It's
wanna-
fun to be overrated, man.
Yeah.
Comment overrated
Yes.
for this whole podcast and help us. Please comment, guys. It
Yeah.
really helps push us up in the algorithm. Please hype this
Hype.
also.
Hype.
Hype is very important now. It's all about hype. It's
Yeah.
not about actual quality. It's about hype. You gotta hype us up.
I'm in the 1960s still. Like I feel after these, after hype and all, I'm like, what is going on?
Use your 5 MB to hype us up. And yeah, we are also on tour. He's got
Yeah.
his show, statistically speaking.
Yeah. And come for our shows. And Delhi, come for my shows. Not this guy.
Yeah, but hopefully by the time this releases, my show will be done. But if it's not, I mean,
Go for my show. Yeah.
Come for the one which is earlier. That's
Yeah.
all. All right, okay, thank you.